So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the latest development update here in ABIJO GRA, all right, regarding the Lekki-Epe Expressway. They are working on, most especially on the bridge. They are working here at the GRA. So please take this video, watch to the end. I'll be glad you did. Remember, my name is Peter, twin there for LekkiProperty.com. My job is to assist you with the right real estate investment information. So the way you're making real estate investment decision, you have to make the right decision. I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please use the opportunity. Click on the subscribe button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, so when I post subscribe videos like this and many others, you are the first to be informed. So without further ado, let me take you on a drone flight. Let's go see the bridge being constructed here at ABIJO GRA directly on the Lekki-Epe Expressway. So if you're ready, come, let's fly together.